What is up, YouTube? It's early as hell. My flight leaves in exactly 1 hour, and I am 20 minutes away from the airport, so that's a fun time. Planned that perfectly. Not at all. Yeah, I thought this was gonna be a cool vlog. I don't know. We're going to go see the Golden State Warriors play the Houston Rockets in Houston. I don't know if a lot of people know, but there's a lot of NBA teams that are not allowing fans, so there's a couple that are. So really, I was just looking for somewhere where I could fly non-stop, and it just works out perfectly because one of my friends, pretty much that I've known for a lot of years, is now playing for the Rockets. So it works out perfectly, and they're playing, obviously, my team, Golden State. So I thought it would be a cool video just to go to an NBA game during this pandemic world, and yeah, and we're going to get a dub. I also have a ridiculous amount of money put on this game just because the Golden State Warriors have not lost ever when I've been in the building. I think we're either 8-0 or 9-0. Never lost when I've been in the building, and that includes 2 NBA Finals games, game ones. We're not taking an L there. It don't matter as long as I'm there. Like, I don't care who we play. Like, you could bring out the '96 Bulls, and I think we get a dub as long as I'm in the building. Yeah. So we are gonna fly there, and we are going to see that game, and hopefully come back very, very soon. And yeah, so we're lit, and stay tuned and enjoy the video, man.
I couldn't tell you all the nights that I stayed up, how many times in a day that I prayed up, how many friends turned snake and they changed up. Count the knives in my back, I'm okay, bruh. I sit alone in a room with a candle lit. I've been stressing, but I think I can handle it. I can feel the tears coming, but I also heard that men don't cry. And I also know that we made lies, human nature, swallowed by the fear, the danger when you know you put your life on lines. And when I got defeated, that's why I'm breathing. I ain't quit for a second, I just kept on trying. That's the king in me. I know we fell up, but do you still believe in me? I know I ain't called mama, I've been so busy chasing my dreams and try to make it happen, so don't ask why I'm still rapping. I inspire the youth, and I always keep my eyes on truth. My set got me thinking that I can't lose, but no, I'm ready when my day comes.
Okay, we are in the city. Game starts in less than 2 hours. Should be a interesting experience because obviously there's limited fans. The Rockets are completely just obliterated with injuries, everything. They don't even know who's gonna be out there. My friend's probably gonna be starting. But yeah, it's gonna be a dope experience just to kind of see what it's like with limited fans. And yeah, we have a lot of bread on the line. The Warriors are huge favorites, so I did end up hedging the Rockets. So somehow if the Rockets snap their losing streak and win this game, I still will get paid out some, so I can still cheer for my guy at heart. But you know, you know what we do. Yeah, so stay tuned. I'm probably not taking this camera in to the gym, but yeah, I'm not gonna take this weird looking thing into there. So I'll film some stuff from my phone, get you some game highlights. I don't know if that's allowed, but hey, we're gonna do it anyway. Stay tuned.
It's crazy when you lose a couple day ones. Fell victim to the life of drugs, guns, and false egos. Enjoy your drift, and I hope that you learn from it. If you come back empty-handed, just go back. It's sad that y'all dummies can't learn nothing. Yeah. Man, this life is crazy. Man, this life is crazy. I ain't been outside in a minute. I ain't been outside in a minute. Man, this life is crazy. Man, this life is crazy. I ain't been outside in a minute.
Okay, YouTube, we're back in the city. Hopefully YouTube is cool with some of those videos I was posting from my Snap and my IG. It was a really cool game. I ended up being like one of the first fans in the building. There actually turned out to be about 1,000 of us, maybe 2,000. I don't know the exact number, but it was not a lot of people at all. Shout out to my guy Justin on the tickets. You know, just bless me. I've been playing with that man. He's from here, so growing up, I always played against him. He was always on like one of kind of our rival teams growing up. I'm not even gonna tell y'all a Wash story, but that's just my guy. I've seen him play on every level since 3rd grade to high school. Obviously played against him 3rd grade to high school, but then he got to college at Creighton. Saw him play there, obviously. Got him shoes to play there. Saw him in the G League when he was in Des Moines. Went to those games. And now to see him in the league, it's just a crazy, crazy experience watching that guy play. That's my guy, though. And then, of course, I had to go see, because we playing against Steph. The Warriors are 10-0. 10-0. When Marco is in the building. So just do with that information as you will. But just know, if I'm there, we aren't gonna lose. I bet us, we were 12-point favorites. I bet us by 12. We are up 14 with 3 seconds left, and a Rockets player takes a 3 at the buzzer. I was praying he missed. He did miss. We cashed out. Totally free trip. Thanks to the Warriors covering. It's just one of those times you just love to see it. You love to see it. But yeah, March Madness. We in here now. What else I gotta tell you? Yeah, the game was cool because you have to wear a mask the whole game, so it's kind of iffy. But you just buy some food or a drink, and that's the finesse how to get out of wearing the mask the entire game. You just act like you're drinking something, even if you're not. You just hold it close to your face so that people don't go crazy. But other than that, it's super cool. It's a cool experience to see kind of the NBA in this weird environment. Like, I think the last NBA game I went to was literally an NBA Finals Game 1, Warriors versus freaking LeBron. So, like, I go from that environment to where it's nuts in there to literally nobody in the stands. So, like, it's just a crazy switch up. It's cool because you can hear the players, like, especially where I was sitting, like, you can hear the players. Like, obviously, you're hearing Draymond complain about every play. Cool to see Steph, obviously, always. He got hurt right at the end, but he probably would have sat the entire 4th anyway. But always good to see my guy and see his warm-up and all that stuff. A cool experience, though, you know? Cool for the vlog. I really didn't film that much. I just really kind of wanted to just say, like, this is the NBA experience when you're during a quarantine or during the pandemic. But always dope to go see NBA. Go check out a game. I know there's a couple teams along with fans. We got the Rockets, Dallas, San Antonio, I'm pretty sure, Orlando, Phoenix. So wherever you can go see a game, just go try to check it out. You don't even have to get good tickets, honestly. I just like being in the gym. Like, I'm weird like that. Like, I'll sit at the way top. Like, I just like being there and just it used to be better because, like, you feel the crowd, but now it's just kind of like you're just watching basketball from really far away. But yeah, so it's always cool to go see. Hope you guys checked out the unboxing I just did. That'll be posted before this video comes out. So if you haven't, go watch the last video unboxing some SBs from Nike. Some $500 SBs from Nike. Okay, but yeah. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up to let me know, you know, keep going. More, I'm not gonna say more travel, but more just different content. And yeah, we'll holla at y'all, man. We up. Warriors. March Madness, we need Illinois. Let's go.